If you're planning to start a cleaning product business but you're not sure which product to start with, add this to your list. What I have here is surface disinfectant cleaner that is easy to produce and also very profitable to sell. If you're interested, all you have to do is to watch this video to the end. Now let's get down to business.
Welcome to the Naturally Gifty Vibe, trainer of thousands of smart entrepreneurs across the globe. From learning to create quality cleaning products, to building your brand, growing your business, and living your best DIY lifestyle. This is your calm corner for skills, beauty, health, and income. Welcome to the Naturally Gifty Vibe.
Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In this video today, I'll be teaching you how to make powerful and effective surface disinfectant cleaner, and it is super easy to make. Now to make this, here are all the requirements. You start by getting a clean mixing bowl, and after that, the first ingredient you need is an ionic surfactant agent. Now we need this because it will help to reduce the surface tension, allowing water and the cleaning solution to spread easily in order to lift dirt and also emulsify grease. The surfactant agent we are using here is Texapon. So all you have to do is to transfer it into your mixing bowl. And then the next thing you need is fragrance. Now adding fragrance to this is totally optional, but for a product that will be branded, it's important to add fragrance. That's what makes it unique. So for the fragrance, just mix it together with your Texapon. This will help to dissolve this Texapon, because what I have here is Texapon 70% and it's not soluble in water. So to dissolve it, you're going to combine it with your fragrance and stir it, and after that you can go on and add the next ingredient. Now this is after mixing this for like 2 minutes. The next ingredient you need is IPA, which is isopropyl alcohol. Now this is very essential to add, so please make sure to get it. You start by adding the IPA gradually. When you add your mix, this will also help to dissolve the Texapon easily. Please note, in as much as this IPA will help to dissolve the Texapon easily, it's still important that you mix the fragrance and the Texapon evenly before adding the IPA. It will help to make sure that the fragrance is properly blended before you go on with your IPA. Now, you're going to add the IPA gradually and make sure to dissolve the Texapon completely, and after that you can then move on to the next step. Now this is after adding the IPA, we move on to add water, and for the water you're also going to add it gradually until you add all the required amount. Then make sure to mix. When it comes to products like this, mixing is very essential, so always make sure to mix properly, always make sure to stir. As you can see, I kept adding the water gradually, and it's important, even if you're making this in a large quantity, it's important to follow this step, so please pay close attention. Now here is something else you should also pay attention to. We use Texapon, which means there's a foaming agent here. Now paying attention, you can clearly see that it is not foaming. What I mean by not foaming is that this is not really bubbling. I know there's some tiny bubbles here. It's not as much as when you put too much Texapon, and this is also normal with mixing. Even if you're mixing ordinary water, you will still notice some tiny bubbles. So what I'm trying to say here in essence is you should avoid adding too much Texapon to avoid too much bubbles, which will not be good for this product. So that's it. Now after that, the next ingredient you need is hydrogen peroxide, and this is very essential. Make sure to add this hydrogen peroxide. Now this will help to boost the effectiveness of this product. Like, it is actually going to help to improve your product a lot, so make sure to add hydrogen peroxide, and also make sure to handle with care, because hydrogen peroxide is not something to play with. Make sure you're also wearing a hand glove. Do not be like me. Now after the hydrogen peroxide, add preservative, and after that go in with your color, which is totally optional, but I absolutely think there is need to add color to this, because this will actually help you to look more like a cleaning product, or more like a sellable product, if that is the word. So that's it. Imagine selling it plain, one might actually think it's bleach. So it's important to just add a little bit of color in order to boost the beauty and also make it look market worthy. So that's it. Now this, after adding color, you can see how beautiful it turned out. You need to allow it to settle for all the tiny bubbles to go down completely, and after that you can go on and package it. Now I'm just going to pour this into a bottle, and then I'll go on and try it to show you how effective this actually works. Now just take a look at this. You can see how beautiful it turned out, and what I love most about this product is the fact that it is very easy to market. Like, this is one of the products that people don't even pay much attention to, but believe me when I tell you that this is very lucrative. Have you ever been to a gymming center before? If yes, I know you might have seen people using something like this to clean the surface of the machine before using. Now this is what they use. So imagine taking this to different gymming center. Not just them, you can also supply this to restaurants, hotels, bars. This is used to clean tables as well in order to keep flies away. It also helps to eliminate odor. So it is very, very lucrative. Now take a look at how this works. This is my socket before cleaning, and after spraying this, you can see the dirt dripping out. This is how effective this works. Now after using this to clean my socket, this is how spotless it turned out. Take a look at this. Now this is exactly how this works. They also tell you that this is used to remove stain from wall, especially silk paint. It's also used for kitchen tiles. Like, this honestly serves lots of purpose, and it can be considered as a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use this to clean any surface, and it will leave you with a spotless result. So that's it. If you're in this line of business, add this to your product list to make more money. If you're not in this business, make this for your personal use. It is good for your home. And before I forget, check the description box to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So friend, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're just joining for the first time, my name is Gifty and I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to watch my next video. And at the end of this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, and don't also forget to share with your friends. And now to my beautiful, wonderful, and amazing gift team, thank you for being here. God bless you. So friend, I'll see you on my next video, but before then, stay blessed and keep loving one another. Bye.